So people ask, what do you put on your labels on your fermenters? So I thought, hey, let's just make a video and show you. So here we are entering what we call the cat room, but here is our fermentation station. Don't let the cardboard and masking tape fool you. This is a very high-tech storage area, as evidenced by what's inside. See, there's our fermenters with stuff going in them. But if I go in too close, you're gonna be able to read those labels and, well, that's spoilers that I just don't wanna do yet. So let me find another label and we'll make this video work. So here we have the one from Mulberry Wine, for example. I mean, this is a really good example. You see, we started it on 10/20/22. We used 6.37 pounds of mulberries, half a teaspoon of wine tannin, half a packet of Premier Classique yeast, 2 grams of fermento, 1.76 pounds of sugar. Then we had our 1.104 estimated OG. Then there's the new date, 11/1/22. We checked it, it was 0.992. On 11/8, we checked it again, 0.992, and we racked it. Then we added Euro Chestnut Medium Toast. Okay, and that's pretty much what happened. We can look at this one too. Like here's raspberry cider, 11/15/22. Don't worry about this 24 grams. That's a note that I wrote to be able to figure something out. Then we have 1.5 pounds of frozen raspberries, apple juice, fermento, pectic enzyme, USO4 yeast, 1054. That's the original gravity. And then we have new date, first check, and then second date. See, they're like a couple weeks apart, a week apart, and we have a second check. They were the same, so rack to clear, be sure to add yeast. So we wanted to make sure that we added a little bit of yeast to this one. I think this video may have already, no, it hasn't come out yet. You haven't seen this one yet, ha! Anyway, allulose to 1.016, and then 28 grams of sugar for carbonation, and a pinch of yeast, and it was 7.3%. That's pretty much it. That's the way we do our fermenter labels. Now, bottle labels are a whole other thing, and maybe I'll have to make a video on that. I just wanted to make a nice, short, quick little video for you guys to show you, just to answer a simple question. As always, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.